What's your say on AI marketing? AI is here to stay. It's going to get better and better. I read somewhere that every 3 months the AI is doubling up in capacity and power. So in 18 months or 24 months time, I dread to think what AI will do. Got to be on that bandwagon right now. You cannot afford to ignore it anymore. Otherwise, you'll be left behind. So yeah, you got to learn it or hire somebody to use it. And luckily for us and for everybody else as well, all these apps have got built-in AI now. So for example, we use ClickUp for our project management. It's got AI in it. We use Pipedrive for our CRM. It's got AI in it. We're using Google Ads. It's got AI in it. It's making our life a lot easier and faster. I mean, for content creation and video marketing, there's never been a better time to start it because it is lightning fast. You don't need a professional copywriter, you don't need a professional video editor. All these apps can do it in a fraction of a time and at a fraction of the cost. So that's what I would say.